John Brown is a welder based on the Govan site at the moment. So he's a shop steward and a safety rep. So he looks after all the welders on this site and he represents them from a trade union perspective. He's been a welder probably for around 40 years or more, give or take. Try to be generous to him. And he's been a shop steward for around the last 5 years, but has done it before as well. John Brown first came to me over a year ago where he had a lot of concerns with some of kind of small ailments that some of his welders had.
So we approached the company and after some discussions we upped the protection that the welders have got.
One of the key assets I would say John has had through this is mainly he just doesn't give up. He knows what's right, he has so much passion for health and safety in particular, and with this being so close to his heart with welding fumes.
We upped the level of personal protective equipment and we've got a new filter which at least in part takes out a considerable amount of the fume.
The PPE here is great, but there's always room for always pushing it.
And so the discussion and the dialogue has pretty much continued with the company ever since then.
So getting this award for John is fantastic, that now that gives him bigger exposure, bigger coverage, and it brings more exposure to the campaign itself.
I was a bit surprised and a bit embarrassed about it because I don't really regard the job that I've done as finished yet, and I thought you got a prize when you'd actually finished it. This is going to be an ongoing project for probably quite some time.
I'd like to take this opportunity to congratulate John Brown. His work has been outstanding. I know he feels really humbled and maybe even so slightly embarrassed about this, but he deserves it so much for the hard work he's done. Never giving up and keeping going, and he deserves this award today.